and welcome to Berry's Homestead Hub, where we show you anything and everything around the home, from cooking to cleaning, hair care to DIYs and farming, literally all that you need for a functional home. So as we get into the video, I want you to subscribe and like this video because I'm sure you will need it later for reference as you do this recipe. To begin the day, take papaya early in the morning as part of your fruit salad breakfast. This will help you with bowel movement and no bloating throughout the day. If you have problem with bloating, ensure you include papaya in your early morning breakfast and your gut will be generally very healthy. Another fruit that you don't want to miss is oranges. This will help you with your immune system. You know, oranges are full of vitamin C that will generally help to strengthen your immunity and reduce your morning fatigue. So this one will help you to avoid that sneezing in the morning or those frequent flu attacks. Please let me know where you're watching my video from. I would really know and love to interact with you. I am here in Kenya, and tea and pastries breakfast is a very common thing whereby people wake up and even before they wash their faces, they are already having tea and mandazi or big chapatis in the morning. So my advice is that kind of breakfast or that kind of snack should come later on in the day at around 10 o'clock in the morning when you've already boosted your entire system using a very healthy breakfast of fruit salads like the one I'm making right now. Pineapple is also very good to start your day with as it is loaded with lots of fiber. Once you take it, you're going to feel full for longer, and then you will reduce the amount of snacks you take, and that way it will definitely help with your weight management. At the same time, it also has anti-inflammatory properties that are good for your general health. So why not include pineapple in your early morning fruit salad breakfast? What we discourage is taking tea early in the morning. Instead, go for a fruit salad, and it's a lot more healthier. You can do at least 5 fruits, but if you cannot, just do what you are able to do. Even 1 fruit better than tea. Watermelon obviously contains more than 90% water, so it's a very important fruit for hydration. For you to stay hydrated throughout the day, you'll need to consume watermelon early in the morning. Also remember, after waking up in the morning, you are obviously slightly dehydrated, and watermelon will be of great help to your body. So don't miss watermelon in your salad. Bananas are loaded with natural sugar, and instead of taking sugary tea and pastries in the morning, you better take bananas, as it will give you lots of energy throughout the day, which is released slowly as opposed to sugar, processed sugar. At the same time, bananas will help you to feel fuller throughout the day, and that will also go a long way in reducing weight. Remember, fruits are lower in calories as opposed to the processed foods or sugary tea we take in the morning. Another fruit that you will need in this salad is avocado. Avocado is healthy and rich in fats and fiber, which makes you feel full and satisfied. Therefore, you will not have these early morning cravings for snacks or food. You know, the way you get into the office and by 9 a.m. you're already looking for water from the dispenser to make some tea for yourself before the official tea time. So all of that is not necessary for your body. Instead, just go for one banana, and that is a lot more healthier. So I hope you keep healthier by removing that tea from your breakfast table and instead going for fruits, especially those that are in season and the ones that you can easily afford, so that you don't run out of them on any given day or time. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hope you keep healthy. Till next time. Bye.